Good morning, class 8. So, in the last lecture, we have finished with this question answer part of environmental degradation, right? So, now we are going to start with the language skills. Okay? So, take out your books at page number 123, and we are going to start with the language skills. I have already sent the video on tenses. So, after watching that video, watch this video. I will send it later on. Watch this video and finish your work. Okay? So now we come to the language part. This is lesson number environmental gradation. Environmental degradation. So we are at the language skills. This is at page 123. Clear to all? Now we will read it. Read the following sentences. The dwindling of glaciers is visible evidence that Earth is really getting hotter. So in this word, the dwindling, there are two kinds of word ending with ing, right? So they are formed from the verbs here. One kind of ing is the present participle. जो वर्ब के साथ ing लगता है, जैसा मैंने आपको टेंस में आज समझाया, वो होता है प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. उसमें ing फॉर्म लगता है. The present participle is used in forming the continuous sentences. So today we have done, yesterday we have done present continuous and today we have done past continuous. So in that V4 form is used. So V4 form is formed by verb के साथ ing form. So that is called the present participle. The other kind of ing is called gerunds. We have done that also. Gerunds, infinitives and participles. So gerunds are also known as verbal nouns, right? The word dwindling in the above sentence is a gerund or a verbal noun. So now underline the gerund in the following sentences. Now the first one is swimming is good way to keep fit. So which word is the gerund? Yes, any guesses? Swimming. Right. Second word, they love planting trees. Planting. Third, you are good at drawing and painting. Drawing, painting, and in fourth, we have waiting. Right? And the fifth part, we have meeting. So, in the first line, we have swimming, in the second, planting, in the third, drawing and painting, in the fourth, it is waiting, and in the fifth, it is meeting. So, these are all called as gerunds, that is the verbal nouns. Now, read these sentences. The swift retreat of these great ice streams is helping to raise ocean levels. The shortage is especially felt in March and April. So in these sentences, helping to, felt in are called as phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb, what is this phrasal verb? It consists of a verb. उसमें verb तो हो गई, phrasal verb है. एक phrase हो जाता है. दो तीन उसमें words आ जाते हैं तो उसको हम phrase कहते हैं. And we will do this phrases also in the coming weeks. So the phrasal verb consists of a verb and a particle. Okay, particle कैसे? On, off, at, or कुछ भी ऐसा लग जाता है verb के साथ. Particle may be an adverb or a preposition. So जो particle है उसके साथ जो साथ join होता है वो या तो adverb form में होता है या preposition होता है. And it gives a verb a special meaning, और वो verb को एक special meaning देता है. वो मिलकर, दो तीन जो वर्ड्स हैं मिलकर फ्रेजल वर्ब बनते हैं. Now underline the phrasal verb in the following sentences. A heavy storm brought down the trees. So which is the phrasal verb here? It is brought down. Brought down. This one is the first. Second is they are cutting down the trees with an electric saw. Means cutting down. Third, a fire broke out yesterday. Broke out. Fourth, geologists can't agree with each other about the causes of glacial melting. Can't agree with. Agree with. Fifth one, a burglar broke into our house last night. Broke into. So we will read in the details when we will do this lesson in the grammar. Now come to the page number 124. Read the comments below. Write the occupation of the speaker. I think glaciers play an important role in keeping a balance in nature. So occupation kya hui? There is a help box given here. So you have to find out the occupation of that related person. Glaciers. It is related to glaciers. तो क्या होगा? यहाँ इन्होंने जियोलॉजिस्ट गलत लिखा हुआ है, ग्लेशियोलॉजिस्ट है. ओके, सो रेक्टिफाइड. सेकेंड वन, आई एम अफ्रेड आई विल हैव टू गिव योर डॉग एन इंजेक्शन. सो एनिमल का डॉक्टर हुआ तो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट पर्सन? सेकेंड वन इज वेट. एनिमल्स के जो डॉक्टर्स होते हैं हम उनको वेट बोलते हैं. वेटरनियन होता है वैसे वेटरनरी, बट हम इन्हें शॉर्ट में वेट बोलते हैं क्योंकि वेटरनरी बहुत लंबा हो जाता है, इसलिए वी कॉल देम वेट. आई हैव टू फिल योर बैक मोलर एज इट हैज अ कैविटी. बैक मोलर्स, मोलर्स क्या होते हैं? टूथ. सो यहाँ कौन काम करता है? डेंटिस्ट. Fourth one, please fasten your seat belts as we will be landing in 10 minutes. Fasten your seat belts. Who says these? Air hostess. Fifth, the crop is looking pretty good this year. Crops, it is related to farmers. Sixth, cut. I want to look straight into the camera when you say those words. Camera. Photographer. Right. So we are over with this exercise also. Now we come to the next. Read the following sentences. A melting glacier in Alaska is exposing what may be the richest lode of copper ever found in the state. In this sentence, gerund melting is used before the noun glacial like an adjective. Now what we have to do is, now use the gerunds in a box as adjectives in the following blanks. So here these gerunds are given, so we have to add the appropriate gerunds in front of the blanks. Adjectives हैं, उनके आगे हमें gerunds लगाने हैं. So the first one is a washing machine. Right? Second is a sleeping bag. Third is dash powder. So we'll leave this. Let us finish the other ones. Fourth one is a dash bird, a singing bird. Fifth, a writing pad. Sixth, a driving license. So only one word is left, and that is yes, we can change it. Here we can use it, change this word. So here we can write down sewing machine, put here sewing machine, and here washing powder. Right, so now it is fine. Now the next C part. That is your homework for tomorrow. Okay, page 124. This is your homework. So what is it? What you have to do in this is take out your dictionary, right? And answer the following questions. What are the first three words that begin with W? So you will have to open the dictionary, take out the words starting with the W. W words डिक्शनरी के निकालिए और उसमें से फर्स्ट थ्री वर्ड्स विद बिगिन विद W आपने यहाँ लिखने हैं फ्रॉम द डिक्शनरी। W अल्फ़ाबेट निकालेंगे और वहाँ से फर्स्ट थ्री वर्ड्स जो डिक्शनरी के हैं वो आप यहाँ लिखेंगे W से। Likewise, last three words that begin with V. Then you will move to the V alphabet and you will find out the last three words in the dictionary. This cannot be done with the help of phone. You have to use the Oxford Dictionary. Okay. Last three words of V. Likewise, the longest word that begins with Z. Open the Z alphabet. Write two 6-letter words that begin with T. So you will have to find out. Open that alphabet, that page of alphabet. They have given you W, V, Z, T, and whatever they have asked you to do as directed. Write two words that just come after glacier. Glacier के बाद डिक्शनरी में जो दो words हैं वो आपने यहाँ लिखने हैं. Write two words that come before environment. Environment से दो words पहले आपने लिखने हैं. Write two words that have letter pattern straw. Okay? You have to find it out. What are the first and the last letters that begin with D? So you will have to find out number 8, first and the last words that begin with D. 9th is write two words that have letter pattern Shri, जिनमें Shri letter pattern आता हो. Write two words that have letter pattern Port. Clear to all? So you have to do this yourself. This is your homework. Write the antonyms of the following words. Now we will write down the antonyms. D part, it is page 125. Okay, antonyms. So the first one is melting, freezed. Second, expand. Third is accelerate. So you can write down decelerate or slow down. And the fourth one is natural, man-made. And the fifth one is permanent temporary. Temporary. Sixth one is available, unavailable. Right? Now we come to the next. Read the given headlines, complete the given reports based on these headlines by filling in the blanks. So here the headlines are given and we have to complete the news. Srinagar in a major bomb blast in Srinagar. लिख लीजिए वहाँ. Write like this. In the major bomb blast in Srinagar, फर्स्ट में ये आएगा, सेकंड में 5 people, थर्ड में many injured. राइट. सेकंड में क्या आएगा? ये फर्स्ट है, ये सेकंड का फर्स्ट. The great superstar Amitabh Bachchan has been operated upon and is ailing in. Right? So there is only one blank in this. Third one. New Delhi. In yet another case of a gruesome crime, an old couple living in the Jangpura area of New Delhi was murdered. That's all. Now the B part also. That is also your homework. Page 126. Right, 5. B part, you have to do it yourself. One of the worst natural calamities, an earthquake that hit Kashmir and Pakistan in October 2005, has once again revealed that we are not prepared to deal with the disasters. So based on your own knowledge and clippings given below, नीचे आपको clippings दी हुई हैं. Write a letter to the editor. आपने letter लिखनी है editor को of a local daily, giving your strong views about the fact that the government should equip itself to face such disasters in future. तो आप नीचे से हेल्प ले लीजिए इन सब की, ये हिंट्स आपको दिए हुए हैं. एंड राइट अ लेटर टू एडिटर कि आपको अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग व्यूज़ आपने देने हैं उसमें कि गवर्नमेंट को क्या क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे अपने आप को इक्विप करना चाहिए इन सारी नेचुरल कैलामिटीज़ से फेस करने में. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज just for fun, that also you have to do it yourself. So this also you have to do it. ये जो आपका पूरा ये आपका होमवर्क है, right? It is on page number 126. So ये आपको करना है. Finish this work and we will discuss it. You can send it after doing this work. You can send it on my personal number, so I'll check it. So tomorrow we will start with the next lesson, Mansarovar Kailash.